good afternoon and a very, very warm welcome to you. This is the third of our videos highlighting some of the pieces of kit that we have to hire here at Acacia Groundcare Rental. My name is Mark and I'm your friendly operations manager. I'd like to show you the Groundsman here. The Groundsman is a very trusted piece of kit. I've used that for many years when I used to do bowling greens, etc. Tines will penetrate up to 5 inches and they can come with hollow or solid tines. The hollow tines, of course, you have to sweep up after you, as you well know. Comes with a trusted Honda engine and that will work all day and do everything that you need it to do. Now we move on to the scarification of your bowling green, your golf course, whatever application you need it for. This is our Sisis, very old company, very reliable, very trusted. Our HD 600. HD standing for heavy duty, exactly what it says. Perfect for bowling greens. It looks like a lawnmower, I can assure you it's not, but it does pick up the arisings just like a lawnmower does. So that will scratch out all your thatch and all the nasties in your grass, collect it neatly so that you can just tip the box out and be done with it. Now for an even deeper or aggressive scarification, we do hire the Scarifier. That will go down to an inch, and that's really ideal for bowling greens that tend to flood or the drainage is not good. So we've got the two scarification machines. That's the Graydon and this little beauty here, our Sisis 600 HD. Right, now having shown you the Scarifier and the Aerator, we move on next to our pedestrian top dresser. Absolutely ideal for spreading your soil mixtures, your 70/40s, your 70/30s, your 20/10s, etc. You can preset how much you want to come out at the back there, and it is self-powered, so it'll drive itself up and down your bowling green, your cricket square, happily all day, and it will make light work of 2 or 3 tons of soil. As you can see, the control panel is a cinch to use. I drove it round here, it was an absolute doddle. So there you have it. I do hope that you've enjoyed our brief look at some of the machinery that you can hire to help you do your end of season renovations. I'd also like to point out that we do quite a lot of tractor mounted renovation equipment as well. So if you want to know more or you need some advice, contact me, Mark Tavener, your friendly operations manager, or call our team.